What is going on, guys? So I got 3 bands here, 3 different colors. These are all by Libra Gemini, and I got the gold here, the stainless steel, and the black here. And this is probably my favorite metal band here. This is definitely the heaviest. Also, it's the most wide as well. Okay, so these look really like manly. These will fit a 42 millimeter as well as a 44. I do have a 44 on here, but again, it does fit a 42 as well, the same exact band. You can see the logo right there, Libra Gemini. And I had to take 3 links off total on each of these to fit my wrist. Okay, so 2 on one side and 1 on the other. And you can see how the gold here looks. Let me go ahead and pull this off and I'll give you a better look here. Nice, good quality, heavy metal here. And you also got the stainless steel here. As you can see the clasp here, just like that. We got the logo on here as well. Same exact thing with the black one. So here's the gold one here. Let me go ahead and pop this off and I'll show you what the stainless silver one looks like on my wrist as well. Stainless steel. Let me go ahead and pop put the black one on now. Oh, there you guys go. I only paid like $15.99 each of these. I mean, for 15, 16 bucks. I mean, come on, it's like definitely a no-brainer. Anyways, there you guys go. And up here you can see all the additional 3 links that I have up here too. Oh, there you guys go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. I guess I'll just wear this one for now, the black. See you guys. Bye.